Are you ready to bring the beauty of nature into your living room without the fuss? Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of decorating with artificial plants, your key to a vibrant and hassle-free home decor. From hanging artificial plants to lush faux green walls, we've curated a collection that transforms your living space into a lush oasis. Say goodbye to watering schedules and hello to everlasting greenery that breathes life into your home. Don't just imagine your dream living room. Let's create it together. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a journey to turn your space into a botanical paradise. Your ideal living room is just a click away.
Elevate your living room with a decorative touch of artificial plants. Faux potted plants. Choose realistic potted plants in various sizes and shapes to add a touch of greenery to tabletops and shelves. Hanging artificial plants. Suspend artificial plants in decorative hanging pots or vacant planters to create visual interest and save fluid space. Faux succulents. Arrange artificial succulents in stylish containers for low maintenance and modern decor accents. Large faux trees. Make a statement with large artificial trees in corners or near sitting areas to bring a sense of nature indoors. Artificial grass rug. Introduce an element of nature with an artificial grass rug, providing a soft and green surface. Green wall or vertical garden. Install a vertical garden with artificial plants for a stunning and space-efficient living room backdrop.